guys, so this is just going to be a quick demo tutorial on how to use the new Face Bond Illuminator from Urban Decay. This is a really pretty highlight in cream/liquid form. Very nice. And you guys already know I love this packaging. They have their foundation in this packaging, and it's one of my favorites. Like, I'd say top 10 foundations for me. So we're going to apply this. You can do this in many ways. By the way, hello, I'm Josie. I'm sorry I didn't introduce myself. If you are new here, I put videos on this channel about beauty, lifestyle, SFX, many things. If that interests you, please hit that subscribe button. And I want to keep this intro short because this is kind of a short video. So we are going to go in and try this on top of our makeup base. I have foundation and contour on right now. So let me show you what it looks like just blended onto my hand. Look at that. Is so pretty and so just wet looking, honestly. All right. So you could do this multiple different ways. You could put it on with a sponge. I am going to just stick with my fingers. Okay. So we're going to put this on a palette. So what I'm going to do to make this super easy is I'm going to use my middle fingers. You can use your ring fingers, your pointer fingers, whatever you want. Honestly, whatever you feel more comfortable with. And we're just going to tap into it. We're going to smile and place this right here. I'm not using it right now, but we're going to place it here all the way up and then back down. And then just keep bouncing on that section. So why I like using my fingers for this is the warmth of the fingers really helps blend this in to the skin. Oh my God, that's gorgeous. All right, we're going to go in with layer number 2. Same thing. Blend up, blend down. Oh, it's so pretty. Okay. I'm going to put a little bit on my nose, just a little. And a little bit underneath the brow, just to illuminate. That is, oh my God, that's gorgeous. All right. It's so natural. And I feel like a lot of people would love this. I am more of I want to see more sparkle when it comes to my highlight. But if you are into something like very sun-kissed, very like glowy, this is going to be beautiful for you. It looks very natural on the skin as well. And I was really scared that this was going to really mess up my base underneath it. I'm going to be honest, I was expecting to have to redo my base, which really would have sucked because I'm testing out a foundation. But it really didn't. Maybe in like one spot, I can see it lifting just a little bit. But it really does not look bad at all. Like, you can barely, no one else is going to see that. I see it because it's my face, but no one else is going to see that. It's beautiful. This shade is Silver Lake. If you know me, I'm a silver girl and I love me some silver glitter, literally anything. It looks so good. And I like it underneath the eyes as well. Ooh, what if we put it into our tear ducts? Let's do that. Just to create a little bit of reflect. Hey, that worked. It's very satiny once it is. You can even feel it when it's drying, not even after it's dry. but as it's setting, you can feel that it's very satiny, which is great for over makeup because it's not, again, the super matte that dries fast that can pick up a lot of makeup. And it's not super glowy, in which it can just smear your makeup off, if that makes sense. It's beautiful. It's really, really pretty. Ooh. This would also be a really good base if you really want to make your highlight pop. So you put this on first and then just put that highlight over top of it. I'm not going to do that because I'm going for a little bit more of a natural look today. It did it again. They did it again. It's beautiful. And I love this packaging like so much. I don't know why I like this packaging so much. It's beautiful and I love it. So I'm going to give it a pretty good rating. I'm going to say 9 out of 10. I would have given it a 10 out of 10 if it was a little bit more blinding. Just a little bit. But 9 out of 10 is still really good. It's actually a really good product. Try it out, guys. It's at your local Ulta. And that's it for this video. I will see you guys in my next one. I love y'all. Bye. Mwah. All right. Woo! Now that this has set completely down and I have finished my makeup, this is definitely more of a natural glow from within look. So if you like more of that look, you're gonna love this. I think it's beautiful and it's really pretty on the inner portions of the eye as well. I would like to see them come out with a little bit more intense ones. There was one that was like a gold and it had bigger reflects of gold in it. It was beautiful and I could use it as a body glow though. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a like and I will see you guys in my next video. I love y'all. Bye. Mwah.